Welcome to Casual Comfort. Today, I'll show you a look that's perfect for every elegant occasion, not through outfits this time, but through hairstyles that instantly elevate your presence. Whether you're heading to a special dinner, a business event, or simply want to add a refined touch to your everyday style, these 7 hairstyles will become your go-to. Let's dive in and discover how effortless beauty meets timeless elegance. French twist. The French twist is a true classic. It's the hairstyle that whispers sophistication without shouting. This look has graced red carpets, royal weddings, and timeless fashion icons. What makes it so elegant is its sleek structure. Hair swept and tucked into a vertical roll at the back, creating an elongated silhouette. It pairs perfectly with pearl earrings, tailored dresses, or even a crisp white blouse. Best of all, once you master the technique, it only takes a few pins to achieve. It's the kind of hairstyle that says, "I have it all together," no matter the setting. Voluminous updo. Sometimes elegance is about presence, and nothing creates presence quite like volume. A voluminous updo lifts your look, quite literally, and frames your face with a graceful balance. This style works beautifully for evening events where you want your hairstyle to be as much of a statement as your outfit. Tease the crown slightly for that extra lift, pin the sides, and let a few soft strands fall naturally. The result is regal yet approachable, a hairstyle that adds instant height, elegance, and charisma. Messy bun. Not every elegant hairstyle has to be polished to perfection. The messy bun proves that beauty often lies in effortless charm. It's casual yet chic, soft yet confident. A low messy bun with a few loose tendrils around the face can transform a plain outfit into something strikingly stylish. Think of it as the hairstyle that says, "I didn't try too hard, but I still look put together." It works for brunches, city strolls, or even semi-formal evenings when you want to look natural yet elegant. If you're enjoying these elegant hairstyle ideas, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a like and leave me a comment telling me which of these hairstyles is your favorite so far. I'd love to know. High ponytail. Few hairstyles are as versatile as the high ponytail. Done right, it elongates the neck, highlights the cheekbones, and gives your entire look a graceful lift. A sleek high ponytail paired with a bold lip or statement earrings is a powerful combination. For a softer effect, wrap a small section of hair around the elastic for a polished finish. It's elegant enough for formal occasions, yet easy enough for everyday wear, the hairstyle that strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and practicality. Low bun. The low bun is the ultimate in understated elegance. Worn at the nape of the neck, it's graceful, minimal, and endlessly versatile. You can style it sleek and smooth for formal evenings, or soft and textured for daytime sophistication. What makes this hairstyle special is how easily it adapts. A low bun can carry you from the office to dinner without missing a beat. Add a jeweled pin for an evening event, or keep it simple with a matte clip for everyday refinement. Either way, it's a hairstyle that feels quietly confident. Stylish side part. Never underestimate the power of a part. A deep side part instantly transforms even the simplest hairstyle into something dramatic and elegant. It frames the face differently, highlights your eyes, and adds a touch of vintage glamour reminiscent of Hollywood icons. Pair a side part with sleek straight hair, soft curls, or even a tucked behind the ear look, and you'll see how this small adjustment creates maximum impact. It's proof that sometimes elegance is found in the smallest details. Hair accessories. Accessories can turn an ordinary hairstyle into an extraordinary one. A satin headband, a pearl-encrusted clip, or a silk scarf tied around a bun. These little additions bring personality, color, and style to your look. The key to elegance is choosing quality over quantity. One well-chosen accessory can elevate your hairstyle far more than a dozen random details. Whether you prefer a minimalist metallic pin or a bold patterned scarf, hair accessories are the finishing touch that make your hairstyle truly your own. And there you have it, 7 elegant hairstyles that prove beauty is not just in the clothes we wear, but in the details that frame our presence. From timeless twists to effortless buns, each of these styles can elevate your look in just minutes. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you feel inspired to try one of these hairstyles today. Until next time, stay elegant, stay confident, and always remember, true style begins with how you carry yourself.